Welcome, friends. Welcome back to Tracker Bin. Today, we are diving into the essentials of our inventory tracker template, a game changer for small businesses and retail shops not having any integrated softwares. Starting off, we will input some master data. This is a one time deal when we kick off with the template or introduce the new item. For today, let's customize it for ABC Limited. Firstly, the organization name, say ABC Limited, the start date, which could be 18th of July 2021, and then the currency, INR or the Indian rupee. Now let's get into the details. Input the item name, perhaps the paper books and pencils. Now the item description, that is categorizing your items into particular categories. Say stationery for the paper books and consumables for the pencils. Then the item code may be A1 for paper book and A2 for the pencils. Unit of measurements, maybe the numbers for paper book and then boxes for pencils. Set the reorder quantity. Say 50 units for the paper book and 100 units for pencils. Whenever the balance dips below the reorder point, the cell turns red like this. Moving on to the prices, say 150 per paper book and rupees 250 per pencil box. Now the opening stock. Let it be 100 paper books and 150 pencil boxes. The sheet dynamically adjusts and voila, you are ready to use the template. Ready for transaction? Go to the transaction sheet. Choose the item from the drop down menu. This time we are selecting paper book, and whenever you do this, the item details pop up. Now the date of the transaction, 20th July 2021. If it is a stock in, maybe 100 units stock in. Now switching to another item, let it be the pencils. The details again pop up. Date may be 21st July 2021, and this time it is a stock out of say 60 units. The document reference number, in case you want to put any document reference, you can put it over here, which could be your purchase order or your invoice number. If you want to add a remark, add it over here if needed. Now check the dashboard. It updates automatically over here. See, the stock of pencil is below the reorder point, so the cell turns red. It's a reminder to place an order to purchase the pencils. Total stock value is reflected above along with the total number of items below the reorder point. It also shows the number of non moving items, that is, the items in which no movement of in or out of a stock has happened during the period. For new items, a one time entry in the master sheet takes the detail to the transaction sheets. You can always filter out the data. Suppose, in the case of this item description, if you want to check only the items in the stationery category, you can always check it out from here. You can apply the filter, check the stationery, and over here. Look, the value of the stock also changes accordingly. This would help you out in getting the reports which are quite meaningful for your business. For guidance, check the instruction sheet or drop us a mail at preeti@trackerbin.com. The email is over there. We also customize the templates as per your requirements. Kindly visit our shop at trackerbin.etsy.com. Link over here on Etsy for more such useful templates related to finance and budget. If TrackerBin is making your finance journey smoother, show some love. Like, share, and follow. Your support means the world to us. Thank you.